First, let's start simple by creating a new Google Slides presentation and add a text. Right-click your text, then select Animate. On the right, select the text transition animation effect from the drop-down menu. Select the speed for the animation. Click play to preview the text animation. Click Add Animation to add an instantly playing animation on top of it. Change the animation trigger to after previous. Then select a transition animation for it. You can add multiple animations to the same text this way. Here is the result animation. All done. Please subscribe.